wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best emergency road kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. In addition to an LED flashlight, a hazard triangle, a reflective safety vest, and a first aid kit, the secureguard roadside is equipped with a handy safety hammer for breaking through a vehicle's windows in the event of an emergency. The tow rope can pull up to 10,000 pounds, and it also includes a compass. However, you get no instructions with it. At number 9, the Mayday Urban Road Warrior includes a fire extinguisher, a solar blanket, a 6-inch light stick, a help sign, and several flat repair tools, all of which are conveniently stored in the heavy-duty backpack for safekeeping and transport. It also comes with a Swiss Army knife and a waterproof poncho, but it needs a seatbelt cutter. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Football fans can show their pride and be responsible motorists by packing the Picnic Time NFL for road trips. Its triangular-shaped polyester case can be customized with your favorite team's logo, while also doubling as a hazard sign in the event of a breakdown. This one comes with laminated instructions. However, the jumper cables are too short, and there's no survival equipment. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for emergency road kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the storage pouch on the Victor cupboard has a Velcro patch on the back, so it can be fastened to the side or floor of your trunk when it's not in use. The adjustable internal compartments keep everything neatly organized and easy to access. This one's available in 3 sizes and includes a 12-ounce can of tire sealant, but the rain poncho isn't very durable. Moving up our list to number 6. The affordable Kolo Sports Multipurpose comes with 156 items to help you deal with anything from bee stings, cuts and bruises, to car accidents and extreme weather. Putting everything back in the storage bag is difficult though, due to its small size. It features a safety hammer for breaking windows and an easy-to-grip handle on the top. However, there's no tire repair equipment. Halfway up our list at number 5. Bundled with heavy-duty jumper cables and a tow strap rated to 10,000 pounds, the Blikzone Classic can help you get back on the road quickly after a breakdown. The LCD backlit tire gauge displays readings in 4 units of pressure. It includes a circuit tester pen and non-slip rubber pads on the bag, but its air compressor isn't very powerful. At number 4, the Top Gear Premium is equipped with a reflective safety vest so approaching drivers can see you at night. The versatile folding multi-tool offers 2 types of pliers, knives and a wire cutter. It also includes an accident report form and a pressure gauge that reads in kilopascals and PSI. However, the jumper cables are flimsy. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Be prepared for any roadside eventuality with the Thrive Auto. Its nylon canvas bag contains everything from a socket wrench and electrical tape to 8-foot jumper cables and a first aid kit. A reflective triangle on the outside of the case makes you easy to spot. It also includes an ice scraper tool and 2 bungee cords, along with a help sign. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for emergency road kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Hokena FL1907 includes 5 magnetic LED flares that attach to the side of your vehicle. Each is waterproof, crush-proof to 1,000 pounds, and offers 9 distinct flashing modes. A portion of the profits from this is donated to small businesses in developing countries. It features 2 thermal blankets, 15 batteries, and a lifetime warranty. And coming in at number 1 on our list, backed by AAA, the Lifeline Excursion comes with an extensive combination of first aid essentials and roadside assistance gear, not least of which are a rain poncho, an aluminum flashlight, 25 bandages, and a 250 psi air compressor that can inflate a flat tire quickly. It also includes an emergency whistle, cotton work gloves, and a Phillips screwdriver. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for emergency road kits, or simply click beneath this video.